Hello guys, today I have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and I'm going to show you how to fix your phone heating while charging. So, it's normal that your phone is heating, not overheating, but heating when you charge it using the fast charging method. Don't worry, it's normal. If you feel that your device is hotter just while charging, it doesn't matter, just leave it as it is. Of course, if you feel that it's too hot, we need to do something about this. At first, open the settings and scroll down to the battery. Here, tap View Details, and now, once you see this place over here, select the previous day, for example, and here, usage by apps and features. Let me, for example, select camera, because it's first here. Don't, it is not a suggestion that you need to do something about these applications. You need to make this change that I do here only and only on the third-party applications. So here, background limits, make sure this is enabled and select Put to Sleep. Apart from that, if you go back and go back and again go back and scroll to the applications here and you search for this application over here, there's another option that we can make. So let me, for example, select the application Instagram. Here, tap this, and here, if you scroll down, you will tap battery. You need to tap restricted, battery restricted over here, and this should be for you. Do this with every single application that is in the top 5, of course third party, and you need to do this with the only applications you don't care about the notifications. So if you don't really require having notifications from Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever, just do what I showed you. Apart from that, use only original charger and a cable. If you do have original charger and a cable, you're safe. If you don't, probably your charger maybe or your phone tries to adjust the voltage so that it won't explode and it just generates heat, and so as with the cable. Avoid using your phone while charging. So for example, if you're gaming, don't do that while charging. Of course, if you enable the bypass charging, you are safe, but if you don't, you can't do so. And I know this is the latest device from the Samsung S26 Ultra, so try to just not use this while gaming. I know that this is the gaming monster, but don't do so. Remove the case to improve the heat dissipation. As you can see, I don't have any case on my phone right here, and this is the best situation that can be for the phone, because it doesn't have any case on it, so the heat dissipation is better. We can compare it to the computers and the fans, so when you put the thermal paste on your CPU, the heat dissipation is better for your CPU and heat goes to the radiators and your fans, then the heat dissipation is just better. And as the final tip from me to you is to charge your device in a cool and ventilated area. From time to time you can try to restart your device, but that should be it. Goodbye.